Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Open a modern mobile browser like Chrome or Safari and make sure it's updated. Once done, tap the browser menu and choose Request Desktop Site so Web. WhatsApp. Com appears. You need your phone with the WhatsApp account already signed in and online. This lets the browser scan a QR and link instantly. Make sure both devices share a stable Wi-Fi or mobile connection, because WhatsApp web mirrors your phone and needs. Now you link them. With the desktop view showing a QR code, avoid refreshing the page. On your phone, open WhatsApp, go to Settings, then Linked Devices and tap Link a Device. You'll see a camera scanner. Point it steadily at the QR code in the browser. Once scanned, the browser will confirm the session and load your chats. Keep your phone unlocked and online for the initial sync. This ensures media and message history populate correctly. Finally, use the interface. Type, send attachments, and record voice notes as you would in the app. Make sure browser notifications are enabled if you want alerts. When finished on a public device, go to Linked Devices on your phone and log out of that session for security. If something goes wrong, no messages or media, first check both networks, then rescan the QR. If issues persist, clear the browser cache or try another browser. These steps usually restore the mirror connection quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.